Today, we have an exciting lineup of top-notch sanding tools that are sure to take your projects to the next level. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of belt sanders, exploring their features, performance, and everything you need to know to make an informed choice. Whether you're a woodworking aficionado or a metalworking maestro, we've got you covered with our carefully curated selection of 5 outstanding products. And I also mention all product links in the description box. If you want to see more videos like this, please take a look at our playlists. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. WEN 6502T Belt and 6-in Disc Sander. This belt and disc sander is a powerful tool designed to tackle a wide range of sanding projects. With its 4.3 amp motor, it provides ample power to handle both light and heavy-duty tasks with ease. The 4 to 36-inch belt and 6-inch disc offer a generous sanding area, allowing you to work on large pieces with efficiency. One of the standout features of this sander is its sturdy cast iron base, which provides excellent stability and reduces vibrations during operation. This ensures a smooth and precise sanding experience. The adjustable belt tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to sand at various angles, enhancing the versatility of the tool. Here are some pros. Powerful 4.3 amp motor for efficient sanding. Large sanding area with a 4x36-inch belt and 6-inch disc. The sturdy cast iron base for stability and reduced vibrations. Adjustable belt tilts up to 90 degrees for versatile sanding. Cons. The dust collection system could be more effective. Number 2. Bucktool Combo Belt Sander 6-inch Bench Grinder. This combo belt sander and bench grinder is a versatile tool that combines the functionalities of a belt sander and a bench grinder. With a 2 to 42-inch belt and a 6-inch bench grinder, it offers the flexibility to tackle a variety of sanding and grinding tasks. It also features a large work table that provides ample space for comfortable and precise operation. This upgraded model boasts improved performance and durability. The belt sander has a powerful motor that delivers consistent power for efficient sanding. The bench grinder comes with adjustable tool rests and a spark guard, ensuring safety and accuracy during grinding tasks. The machine's compact design makes it suitable for both professional workshops and home use. Here are some pros. Combination of belt sander and a bench grinder for versatile use. Large work table for comfortable operation. Powerful motor for efficient sanding and grinding. Adjustable tool rests and spark guard for safety. Cons. Some users may find the machine a bit noisy. Number 3. Metabo HPT Belt Sander. The Metabo HPT Belt Sander is a reliable and high-performance tool designed specifically for woodworking tasks. With its 3x21-inch belt, it offers a wide sanding surface to cover larger areas efficiently. The sander features variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the sanding speed according to the material and desired finish. Equipped with a powerful 9.0 amp motor, this sander delivers consistent power and performance even under heavy loads. The soft grip handle ensures comfortable operation, reducing fatigue during extended sanding sessions. Additionally, the sander comes with a 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind regarding its durability and quality. Here are some pros. Wide sanding surface with a 321-inch belt. Variable speed control for adjustable sanding speed. Powerful 9.0 amp motor for consistent performance. Soft grip handle for comfortable operation. 5-year warranty for added reassurance. Cons. The dust collection could be improved. Number 4. Bucktool Professional Bench Belt Sander. This belt sander is a robust and versatile tool specially designed for metalworking applications. With its 4x36-inch belt and 8-inch disc, it provides a large sanding area for efficient metal sanding and shaping. The 1 HP direct drive motor delivers consistent power and ensures reliable performance. This bench sander is constructed with durability in mind, featuring a heavy-duty steel base that provides stability and reduces vibrations during operation. The adjustable belt tilts up to 90 degrees, allowing for versatile sanding angles. The tool also comes with a removable belt plate and a disc work table, offering flexibility for different sanding tasks. Here are some pros. Large sanding area with a 4x36-inch belt and 8-inch disc. Powerful 1 HP direct drive motor for reliable performance. Heavy-duty steel base for stability and reduced vibrations. Adjustable belt tilts up to 90 degrees for versatile sanding. Cons. The dust collection system could be more efficient. Number 5. Astro Tools 3037 Air Belt Sander. This belt sander is a compact and lightweight tool designed for precision sanding in tight spaces. With its 1/2x 18-inch belt, it allows for detailed and intricate sanding on various materials. The air-powered design offers convenience and portability, making it an excellent choice for professional craftsmen and enthusiasts. This belt sander comes with 3 different belts, providing versatility for different sanding applications. The adjustable power regulator allows you to control the sanding speed according to your needs. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing fatigue during prolonged use. Here are some pros. Compact and lightweight design for precision sanding in tight spaces. Comes with 3 different belts for versatility. Adjustable power regulator for controlling sanding speed. Ergonomic handle for comfortable operation. Cons. Requires an air compressor to operate. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.